Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious strawberry freeze. First, ensure your strawberries are completely frozen. This is key for a thick, frosty consistency. Next, select your liquid base. Milk offers a creamy texture, while juice provides a lighter, fruitier flavor. Finally, decide on your sweetener amount, adjusting it to your personal taste preference. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your frozen strawberries, liquid, and sweetener into a powerful blender. Begin on a low speed to break down the larger frozen pieces, then gradually increase to a higher setting for a smooth blend. If your blender has one, use a tamper to keep the ingredients moving and prevent air pockets. This ensures a consistently thick and creamy strawberry freeze. The goal here is a thick, soft serve consistency. Continue blending until there are no visible chunks of strawberry and the mixture is completely smooth. If it's too thick and struggling to blend, add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of your chosen liquid at a time until it moves freely. Be careful not to overblend, as this can warm the mixture and make it less frosty. Your delicious strawberry freeze is ready. Quickly pour it into a chilled glass to maintain its frosty temperature. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with a few fresh strawberry slices or a sprig of mint. This simple addition elevates the presentation and adds a fresh aroma. Enjoy this refreshing treat right away for the best experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.